This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Dana Nelson. Discover the charm of the Blue Ridge Mountains living in this inviting 3-bedroom 2-bath with a bonus room 1-story country home, perfectly situated on 1.5 acres of gently rolling land. Located just a short drive from the heart of downtown Blue Ridge, this property offers the ideal blend of privacy, comfort, and convenience. This home is situated on a quiet paved road with seasonal mountain views. Whether you're sipping coffee on the porch, enjoying the open yard, or experiencing nearby trails and waterfalls, this home is a true retreat in the North Georgia mountains. Outside, enjoy expansive yard, ideal for gardening, outdoor gatherings, or simply soaking in the mountain air. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence, weekend getaway, or investment opportunity, this property offers endless potential. Located just minutes from downtown Blue Ridge, local wineries, hiking trails, and Lake Blue Ridge. Don't miss your chance to own a slice of Appalachian paradise. For more information,